Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I'll show you how you can connect AirPods to your smartphone. So the first we have to open notification bar, then activate Bluetooth, and then click and hold it to enter the Bluetooth settings. Right now we have to open charging case of our AirPods, then move it like that and click and hold this power button. So click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. Right now we can release that key, and then after a few seconds AirPods will pop on the list, so click on them, accept the pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So that's how we can connect AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!